Indoor air quality has been proven to have a significant impact on health, property value, energy efficiency, and overall quality of life of people. Now introducing IOTSU AQ09 that brings you more sensing capability in one unit than ever before. Stay informed of the actual indoor climate in your properties and make responsible decisions to enable tenants to take in the best air possible, improve efficiency, productivity, and enhance life cycle value. In addition to temperature, air humidity, and carbon dioxide sensing, the IOTSU can sense the more in-depth total volatile organic compounds and particulate matter metrics, giving you an extensive overall view of the situation. The IOTSU rugged version is an alternative tough enough to withstand harsh environments such as dusty work sites, machine shops, and workshops, as well as parking halls. Thanks to IOTSU, you can gather high-quality information to improve work and safety. Automatic and maintenance-free device designed for battery longevity is straightforward to install securely. It's not dependent on any existing IT infrastructure and requires no complicated and expensive cables. Whether the solution ends up in an office, a classroom, or an apartment, it's quick to get started and you start to benefit from day one. Are you interested to learn more about the IOTSU AQ09 and how we can help you improve your property value? We are glad to tell you more. Contact us today.